Very good morning to one and all present here. A very warm and hearty welcome to you all. Let us start our session with a prayer song. Over to Sham.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me finish my talking and then come back to the prayer song later on.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, today, is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Today,
ma'am.
we all
Yes,
have
ma'am.
gathered
Yes,
here
ma'am.
to inaugurate the virtual orientation program and to welcome the young buds and the fresh talents, our first year BCom general students into the arena of DB Jain College. On behalf of the management of DB Jain College, our Secretary Administration, Dr. Harish L. Mehta, and Secretary Academics and Finance, Shri Jashwant Munut, Distinguished Professor in charge, Dr. M. Shaktivel Murugan sir, and Dr. Rajesh, Coordinator of Head of Department of Corporate Secretaryship, and on behalf of teaching and non-teaching fraternity of DB Jain College, I welcome you all for the gathering. We are glad to invite all the freshers to participate in the virtual orientation program by the Department of Commerce, DB Jain College for the academic year 2020-21, which is aimed to make the students get acquainted to the college, though virtually, and also presenting an interesting glimpse into the family of DB Jain College. I take this opportunity to congratulate the esteemed parents who have admitted their children into this wonderful campus and amazing community. We are sure that their expectations, hopes, and aims will be achieved through our support as we share our knowledge, skill, and experience during the next 3 years. Let us now start with the famous quote of Swami Vivekananda, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Let us explore the depth of learning from this special day as you begin your new journey as a student of DB Jain College. Now, let us start our session with a prayer song. Now, is the prayer song ready now?
Now, தமிழ்த்தாள் வாழ்த்து. Thank you, Sham. So now
I invite our respected professor in charge, Dr. M. Shaktivel Murugan sir, who always stands first to give back to the society, who has been an immense source of learning. He stands as a pillar of DB Jain College. He's been an epitome of learning and a role model to many of us and constant source of inspirations to many. So I welcome Dr. Shaktivel Murugan sir to deliver his inaugural address. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, Nandal. It gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate this Commerce Students Inaugural Session for the academic year 2020-21. Most respected Secretary Administration, Dr. Hari Selmata, Secretary Finance, Justin Manoj, and other trust members, governing body members, assistant coordinators, faculty, students, friends. I am immensely happy to be with you in this inaugural session of Commerce Students. You are coming from the school learning to higher education learning, where you have to inculcate the habit of upgrade your knowledge, skill, talent in the higher education arena. In the school arena, we learn in terms of spoon feeding, learning everything from books. But in terms of learning in higher education, in undergraduate or postgraduate or research, learning, sky is the limit. Every day, day in and day out, learning takes place. In the area of commerce, I am very happiest person being associated in this arena of commerce for more than 4 decades. DB Jain College have produced hundreds and hundreds of chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretaries, general managers, managing directors, CEOs. I am proud to say there are two alumni which comes to my mind. Mr. Sendilvel, Managing Director, Calcutta Port Trust. Mr. Rajiv Nambiar, Chief Executive Officer, Tandi TV. Like this, there are many graduates of DB Jain College in highest esteemed places. One of the commerce student is a vice president in Bank of America, Chennai. So it is innumerous achievements are done by commerce graduates of this DB Jain College. DB Jain College started in the year 1972. From that till today, it is called as a commerce college, where commerce is a very foundation in this institution, where we have UG degree, PG degree, research degree. Commerce research is one of the fantastic achievement in this college. There are more than 100 PhDs awarded in commerce. When you enter DB Jain College as a commerce graduate, you can have UG, you can have PG, you can have research. You can come out as a PhD in commerce in this great institution. I am happy to be in this great institution for 4 decades. As a teacher, as head of the department, as a professor in charge, principal, still I continue as a professor in charge to do the assignment to the management, to the faculty and students. My dear fellow commerce students, I wish to say, everyone must have wish of a dream. So one should be a professional of commerce. The professional of commerce course is chartered accountant, cost accountant, cost and management accountant, company secretaries, and then MBA, BL, all should acquire professional degree where you can go high up in the ladder in all your walks of life. Finally, before conclude, I wish to say, student must have 2-3 disciplined principles. Mada, Pita, Guru, Devam. You have to respect your mother, respect your father, respect your teacher. If you treat all these three as your guru, as a Devam, then DB Jain College, we call it as a temple of learning. Where you come to DB Jain College as a temple where the teacher provides the basic input of learning. Our teachers working in this college are distinguished with lot of experience, lot of exposure. So you should make use of them. I wish to inform the parents, you should take much care on the students. In my years, we are bound by parents. Now parents are bound by what? Hence, it is the much care the parents should take care to the student. ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். That is the attitude aware. So every student, every teacher should learn daily. It is a continuous process. Learning is a continuous process. Even at this age of 65, I have written Institute of Directors exam and passed. So for learning, there is no age, only ups and downs, plus, minus, all are part and parcel of learning the academic career. So I wish all the faculty, parents, students, very excellent academic career in this journey in DB Jain College. Before I wind up, we are in the 49th year of this college of existence. You are going to see the 50th year of this existence, where a lot of celebrations will be there. You are proud among them. So I wish good luck to all the students and faculties of commerce. See that you should do well, achieve much more laurels in all walks of life, have highest dream as chartered accountant, cost accountant, management accountant, company secretary, general manager, vice president, president, managing director. I wish all good luck. I pray Almighty for your achievement in all walks of life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your profound words of wisdom with your vast experience and research experience, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I call upon Dr. Rajesh, Coordinator and HOD of Corporate Secretaryship, to give, with his vast experience of teaching and research, to give us an overview of the college and give a bird's eye view of the journey, of his journey in the college. Thank you, sir. Over to me, Dr. Rajesh.
Sir, you're on mute, sir. Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க, sir.
Sorry. Good morning to all. First of all, I wish welcome all the students and parents and participants of this meeting. Staff, teaching staff and non-teaching all. First of all, I welcome all for this induction program. Today, I wish to say about my journey in the college as well as about the college. Already, our professor in charge told about everything about the history of the college. We are edging towards the silver jubilee. Our college started on 1972. Now it is 1 year more to edging towards the silver jubilee. About the management, every people in the management will support the students and staff. Just everyone should mute your audio, sir. Students, just mute your audio. Mohammad Wasim, Mageshwari, mute your videos. Mohammad Wasim, mute your videos. Mageshwari and Jana, just mute your videos. Harish Kumar and also, just please mute your video and audio, just listen karna. Everyone should mute your audio and video, please. Parthiban, Mohana Raji, just mute your videos.
ராஜேஷ் சார் மைக்கை அன்மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. மைக்கு மியூட்ல இருக்கு.
அவன் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிருக்காப்ல. ஓகே ஃபைன்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
என்னால வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ண முடியல. ஏன்?
Listen Kanna. Okay fine. So already Professor Nja told about the colleges, told about our college. Our college started in 1972. We are edging towards the silver jubilee.
ஏன் ஆன் பண்ண முடியல?
And about the management, I am telling about the management. Management is always very kind and it's always helped the students and also all for the development of the colleges and growth of the students. I'm talking.
சரி நாளைக்கு ஸ்கூல் ஓபன்.
Hello. Hello.
Students, please mute your audio, please.
All the students just mute your audios and videos. Audio. Attending the examination. We have wonderful placement also is available here. At the end of second year to third year, you are having within your sessions, you are having soft skill classes are there, non-soft skill, aptitude, and everything is there. So go and attend those classes and make use of it. At the end of third year, the placement officer will conduct the classes for how to attend the interview. That is just like soft skill aptitude. Make sure go on use. Make sure CTS and most of the companies are coming there for the recruitment. So those who are attend those interviews, you will get perfect. Now I am talking about the already I am talking about this attend and extra. I am talking about extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities headed by Dr. Karunagaran. We will have anyone interested in that is extra, that just like writing essays, drawings, dance. You can go on. Make sure to give your names to Dr. Karunagaran. He will make you in the field success. And one more thing I forgot. All must put ID card. So at the opening of the college, you are given an ID card. You must come with putting ID card and with a proper dress code. And about the internal marks, your HOD will guide you how to divide the marks among the things. You are having 25 internal marks, 75 external marks. That will be told by your HOD. Okay, Kana? So I'm just saying in what other things I'm told. And we have parent teacher meeting also. Every 2 months we will have a parent teacher meet. So ask the parents to come to the college and meet the teachers and to know the growth, to know about your wards. So இதை நான் வந்து இப்ப தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன்னா, முயற்சி திருவினையாக்கும், தெய்வத்தால் ஆகாவின் முயற்சி தன் திருவினையாக்கும். So hard work never fails. நம்மளுடைய மேலாண்மையை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே நல்லா நம்மளுக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க. மாணவர்களுக்கு எப்பவுமே சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. எந்த விதத்திலையும் அவங்களுடைய வளர்ச்சிக்கு பாடுபடக்கூடிய ஒரு மேலாண்மை. டீச்சர்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருப்பாங்க. உங்களுக்கு எல்லா விஷயத்திலும் உங்களை உற்சாகப்படுத்துவாங்க, ஊக்கப்படுத்துவாங்க, மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இந்த ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன்ல கூட யூ கேன் ஆக்சஸ் தம். பேரண்ட்ஸுக்கு எஸ்பெஷலி நான் என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறேன்னா, யூ கேன் ஹேவ் அ டீச்சர்ஸ் ஃபோன் நம்பர், கிளாஸ் இன்சார்ஜ் இருக்கும், அவங்க ஃபோன் நம்பர் வாங்கிட்டீங்கன்னா யூ கேன் கெட் எவ்ரி மந்த் யூ கேன் கான்டாக்ட் வித் தம் அண்ட் நோ அபவுட் யுவர் வாட். உங்களோட குழந்தைகளை பத்தி நீங்க நன்றாக தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். குழந்தைங்களுக்கு உங்களோட பாடப்பிரிவு பொறுத்து காமர்ஸ்ன்றது ஆர்ட் ஆஃப் த காலேஜ். இதுல நிறைய பெரிய ஜாம்பவான்கள்லாம் இருக்காங்க. எல்லாருமே நல்ல படிச்சுட்டு நல்ல துறையில இருக்காங்க. இதோட வளர்ச்சி பத்தி ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரொஃபசர் இன்சார்ஜ் சொன்னாரு. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், காமர்ஸ் படிச்சுட்டு பிஜி எம்காம் பண்ணலாம், எம்பில் பண்ணலாம், டீச்சிங் லைன்ல வரதா இருந்தா, அதர்வைஸ் ப்ரொஃபஷனலா போறதா சார்ட்டர்ட் அக்கௌண்டன்ட் பண்ணலாம், ACAA பண்ணலாம், CMA பண்ணலாம், எல்லாமே பண்ணலாம். MBA ஆல்சோ கேன் டூ தட். about the teachers எல்லாருமே நல்ல உற்சாகப்படுத்தக்கூடியவர்கள், சிறந்த அறிவாளிகள், உற்சாகப்படுத்தக்கூடியவங்க, பொறுமைசாலிகள், உங்களை எல்லா விதத்திலையும் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருப்பாங்க. தென் அபவுட் அவர் காலேஜ் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பத்தி சொல்ல, விளையாட்டுத்துறையை பத்தி சொன்னேன். விளையாட்டுத்துறையில் நம்ம காலேஜ் எப்பயுமே வந்து ரொம்ப சிறந்து விளங்கும். எஸ்பெஷலி கபடி, ஹாக்கி, ஃபுட்பால், கிரிக்கெட் அண்ட் கொக்கோ, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து வருஷம் கப் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். யூனிவர்சிட்டி லெவல் அந்த ஸ்டேட் லெவல்ல, நேஷனல் லெவல்லே வாங்குவோம். I mean, any individual interested in sports, you can approach Dr. Jayasingh Rajan. Sir, he is a physical director. You can approach him. He is a wonderful person. He will guide you and help you in this matter regarding this. அடுத்தது NSS, NCC சொல்லணும்னா இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், வெரி ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸா நம்ம காலேஜ், அதுவும் அடுத்து நம்ம காலேஜ்ல ஃபேமஸ். ஹெடட் பை டாக்டர் விஸ்வநாதன், இவர் HOD அண்ட் கேப்டன். அவர் உங்களுக்கு எல்லா விதத்திலையும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருப்பாரு. நிறைய கேம்ப்ஸ், ரிபப்ளிக் ஆர்டி கேம்ப், இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பசங்க டிஃபென்ஸ் மிலிட்டரியில கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அபவுட் NSS யாருக்காவது சோஷியல் சர்வீஸ் இருக்குன்னா அவங்க சேர்ந்துக்கலாம். தென் ட்ரெஸ் கோடை பத்தி சொல்லும் போது எல்லாமே ப்ராப்பர் ட்ரெஸ் கோட்ல இருக்கணும். ஃபார்மல் ஷர்ட், ஃபார்மல் பேண்ட், ப்ராப்பர் ஹேர் கட் அதுல இருக்கணும். தென் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் மஸ்ட் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் நான். என்ன சொன்னது அப்படியே தமிழ்ல சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஸோ மேக் யூஸ் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். வெரி குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ யூ. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ மேடம். கேட்கும் carry on. Hello madam.
Thank you sir.
Yeah,
Thank you sir.
okay madam.
Students, any questions you have got to ask, you can ask sir about the college. So thank you.
Ma'am, voice mute. Hello, ma'am. The voice is mute, ma'am. Unmute your voice, ma'am.
Students, if you want to ask anything, you can
Unmute
ask
your
me.
mic, ma'am.
Hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Sir, can I take over? Sir,
Okay ma'am, fine, thank you.
Thank
I'm
you,
leaving,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for providing a bird's eye view about the activities, events, and the departmental discipline
Start
and
your
everything.
video.
You have given a glimpse of the college activities. Thank you, sir. I also request and make a request to all the freshers to join in making DB Jain's future the best it can be. So now I request Sham to give the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Over.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to render vote of thanks on day 1 of induction program. I thank Professor in charge Dr. Shaktivel Murugan sir to have rendered this inaugural address, and Dr. Rajesh sir, coordinator and HOD of corporate secretaryship, to have given an overview of our college. I thank all the staff and students to have graced the occasion and made it a grand success. Finally, I request you all to attend Day 2 program on career opportunity in commerce tomorrow at the same time. Thanks once again. Ma'am, your voice is mute, ma'am. Ma'am, Vijaya ma'am.
Ma'am, kindly unmute your mic, ma'am. Ma'am. Vijaya, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, unmute your voice, ma'am.
Vijaya, ma'am, kindly unmute your mic, ma'am.
Yes. Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, ma'am.
So, thank you all for attending today's session, and I request all of you to attend tomorrow's session on career opportunities in commerce by CA, by Chartered Accountant, Mr. Rajashekaran, and he is going to give you what are the various opportunities in this field and also your future plans. So, be tuned to stay for another 8 days. You will be having the induction program, and you will be virtually able to get what are the activities, what are the things which are, how the college is running, everything. We will be able to do it virtually this time. Now, all the best to you all. I wish you all the best of everything in life. Thank you all very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you
over.
all. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hey,
The